So I finally got a tripod, and I'm not sure if the camera is focused as much as I would like it to be right now, but I think it's cool that all three pink toes are in the same shot, and I'm gonna try to get a cricket. I'm gonna succeed. It's okay. Crickets are ridiculous though. They want to hop around all over the freaking place and stuff most of the time. Hey there, little tarantula. Would you like to eat this? Yes. Dang it, phone. Very nice. Alright, got another cricket for this one. I'm going to try to do this with them all three in view. Very nice. Y'all don't get too close though. I don't want either of y'all to get a little too hungry or anything. I definitely don't recommend doing this unless you are paying close attention to your tarantulas, because you definitely don't want a tarantula to eat a tarantula. They are way too cute to get eaten. My pink toes, whoops, my pink toes are pretty chill though. Try to get a better grab on this. Oh my god, I hate crickets, I swear. I swear. Come here. Yeah. I've successfully captured one of these freaking crickets. Maybe get a little closer here. Nice. Like, whoops, I'm not trying to miss out on the happy dancing, but this is my first time using a tripod, and also my first time trying to get all three of these in frame at the same time. So I am figuring stuff out.